Sophia, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching my video. I have a challenge for you guys. Let's see if we can get to 50 subscribers to join the fam. Guess what I just did? I just bought the Canon G7x Mark II. I am like freaking out. I was like, what? Because guys, the camera quality is going to be amazing because right now I'm actually using like an iPhone 5S or something like that. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Look! I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got an SD card, a really cute case. So this one is really fun. I love how it looks, and also, oops, I didn't open it all the way. Also, it has like straps, and it has like a pocket in the inside. If you can like see that. I don't know if you can or not, but this is my favorite, and it has like cushions and stuff. It also came with like a free battery. My mom like found like a deal online that I was gonna get, but they could like at Best Buy they could price match it, so I got like some free stuff and the camera. So yay, that was awesome. Yay for my mom. The camera, what we've all been waiting for. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, so I did open this and show my parents, but I didn't open it all or turn the camera on or anything. Here are the instructions. You know, I'm gonna need those because I want to know some tricks, right? I'm gonna open this. First thing you see, the warranty, and like, yep, just the warranty, original battery, and the battery charger. I did just put the strap on because like when I was holding it. So yes, but look, this is really good packaging. So it comes with this like wrap around it, so it's nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? I'm gonna pull it out. Look how beautiful. This, oh my gosh, I am like so excited because I really wanted to get some good quality videos on YouTube, and I'm going to hopefully be starting some vlogs very soon. Look how beautiful. Buttons, and like it's really good grip. This is my favorite part. Like, come on. Oh, sorry for the lighting because I'm filming. It's like 5 o'clock, so it's kind of dark out, and the ring light with my glasses sometimes this time of day doesn't work out very good. But anyways. Oh my gosh, and look at this part. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, I just paid for this. I'm gonna try and see if the battery is charged at all. See if I can turn it on or anything. Oop, I'm gonna put the battery in. Wrong way, Sophia. Got it. Wait. Okay, so you gotta make sure you like hit this close button. No. 1 sec. Got it. Got it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and turn it on. Oh, it turned on. So it's asking for like the date and time. I don't got the date or the time. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I set the date and time, and well, that's my hand. Focus is really good. Heard it. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Got the date and time on. So this is like the record and the, like to see what you did. I should probably put a memory card in really quick. Got the SD card. Where does the SD card go in here? Oh, that's the flash. That's the flash. Same with the battery. I am crazy. Clicked. Okay, now I'm going to lock it and do it right this time. Oops. No. Got it. Okay. This says no memory card, but I put a memory card in. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on because I don't know what's happening. And I'll show you guys, I'll film and put this on the video so you guys can like see somewhere over here what it looks like. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm going to film something. Oh. Okay, so as I can tell, like besides like the ring light glow over here, it is really good. I have really bad lighting right now because it's like 5 o'clock, but that focus, like, look, oh my gosh, that is amazing. And I can like touch the screen to like see what it looks like. This is dope. This is my favorite. So yeah, My favorite camera ever, using this camera for not just YouTube. I'm also going to be taking photos for Instagram and all that, and my Instagram will be over here somewhere or in the description. I am so going to work hard with this camera, so I'm so excited to show you guys the videos that I come up with. If you guys have any ideas for videos or anything you want me to do, comment down below. I'm so excited to get great quality for you guys. I love you guys all so much. If you guys haven't already subscribed, go subscribe and join the fam. Also, I'll see you guys in my next video with a really cool camera.